Hello, today we will guide you through how to configure email notifications for specific email addresses in Gmail. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed into the account where you want to set up these notifications. This process is useful if you want to pay closer attention to messages coming from a particular sender, such as a client, a team inbox, or any important contact. Once Gmail is open, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel. From there, select See All Settings to access Gmail's full settings menu, where more advanced options are available. Inside the settings area, look across the tabs near the top and click Filters and Blocked Addresses. This section is where Gmail lets you create custom rules for incoming mail. Filters can help Gmail recognize messages that match specific conditions, including emails from a certain sender. Next, click Create a new filter. A small filter window will appear with several fields you can use to define exactly what kind of email you want Gmail to watch for. In this case, click into the From field. Here, enter the email address you want to target. Be sure to use the correct address so Gmail can accurately identify those incoming messages. After that, continue by following the prompts on your screen to configure and create the filter. Gmail will guide you through the remaining setup options based on the address you entered. Take a moment to review each option carefully before saving. This is important because the filter determines how Gmail will handle matching messages going forward. As you complete the setup, remember that filters can be a powerful way to organize your inbox and highlight emails that matter most. If you are setting this up for notifications, make sure the filter behavior matches the way you want those messages handled. Also, if you do not see the results right away, try sending a test message from the selected address after the filter is created so you can confirm it is working as expected. Once the filter is saved, Gmail will begin applying it to relevant incoming messages. That's all it takes to configure Gmail so you can better manage emails from specific senders and stay on top of the messages that are most important to you.